Hello everyone and welcome to our trivia night. I'm excited to have you all here and ready to test your knowledge. We'll be playing a 10-question quiz tonight, with 10 seconds to answer each question. It's going to be a fast-paced challenge, so get ready. After we finish the quiz, we will review the correct answers so you can see how well you did. So, are you ready to get started? Let's see how many questions you can answer correctly. And be sure to share your scores in the comments below. Alright, let's begin with our first question. Question number 1. Who was Brad Pitt's first wife? A. Angelina Jolie. B. Jennifer Aniston. C. Juliette Lewis. Jennifer Aniston. Question number 2. In which country is the Machu Picchu located? A. Brazil. B. Peru. C. Chile. Peru. Question number 3. Sheldon Cooper and Penny are characters in which sitcom? A. The Big Bang Theory. B. How I Met Your Mother. C. Friends. The Big Bang Theory. Question number 4. Which planet is closest to the Sun? A. Venus. B. Earth. C. Mercury. Mercury. Question number 5. Which actor plays Walter White in Breaking Bad? A. Bryan Cranston. B. Aaron Paul. C. Jonathan Banks. Bryan Cranston. Question number 6. Who is Prince Harry's wife? A. Meghan Markle. B. Kate Middleton. C. Camilla Parker Bowles. Meghan Markle. Question number 7. Who is Monica's brother in the TV show Friends? A. Ross Geller. B. Chandler Bing. C. Joey Tribbiani. Ross Geller. Question number 8. Who is the Disney Princess of Agrabah? A. Snow White. B. Jasmine. C. Belle. Jasmine. Question number 9. What are the 3 primary colors? A. Red, yellow, green. B. Blue, green, purple. C. Red, blue, yellow. Red, blue, yellow. Question number 10. What famous dog has the same name as a classical music composer? A. Beethoven. B. Mozart. C. Bach. Beethoven. Well done. You've completed the 10 multiple choice questions. Let's review the answers. Question number 1. Who was Brad Pitt's first wife? The correct answer is B. Jennifer Aniston. Jennifer Aniston and Brad Pitt were married from 2000 to 2005. Question number 2. In which country is the Machu Picchu located? The correct answer is B. Peru. Machu Picchu is an ancient Incan citadel located in the Andes Mountains of Peru. Question number 3. Sheldon Cooper and Penny are characters in which sitcom? The correct answer is A. The Big Bang Theory. Sheldon Cooper and Penny are two of the main characters in the hit sitcom The Big Bang Theory. Question number 4. Which planet is closest to the Sun? The correct answer is C. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system and the closest planet to the Sun. Question number 5. Which actor plays Walter White in Breaking Bad? The correct answer is A. Bryan Cranston. Bryan Cranston portrayed the character of Walter White in the hit TV series Breaking Bad. Question number 6. Who is Prince Harry's wife? The correct answer is A. Meghan Markle. Meghan Markle, an American actress, married Prince Harry, a member of the British royal family, in May 2018. Question number 7. Who is Monica's brother in the TV show Friends? The correct answer is A. Ross Geller. Ross Geller is Monica's older brother in the popular sitcom Friends. Question number 8. Who is the Disney princess of Agrabah? The correct answer is B. Jasmine. Jasmine is the Disney princess from the fictional city of Agrabah in the movie Aladdin. Question number 9. What are the 3 primary colors? The correct answer is C. Red, blue, and yellow. These colors are called primary because they cannot be created by mixing other colors. Question number 10. What famous dog has the same name as a classical music composer? The correct answer is A. Beethoven. Beethoven is a famous St. Bernard dog and the main character of the movie Beethoven. Thanks for watching. I hope you had fun answering these trivia questions and learned something new. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel for more fun quizzes and trivia challenges. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. If you have any suggestions for future videos or topics you'd like to see covered, please let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from my viewers and want to make sure I'm creating content that you enjoy. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.